The Proof Moonweight hooded puffer is an astonishingly lightweight jacket. Mine only weighs 13.6 ounces, that is less than a pound. But is this jacket just a gimmick, or is it the real deal? Let's get into it. Welcome to Stray Reviews, I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. And today, I'm reviewing the Proof Moonweight hooded puffer jacket. Now we all like a good puffer because they're warm and they're water resistant while still staying light and packable. The Proof Moonweight takes this idea and it puts it on steroids by taking nylon and polyester and infusing it with graphene. It's, you might call it a wonder material that's made from a chemically bonded single layer of carbon atoms. Now I'm no scientist, but that sounds pretty good. The Huckberry website doesn't tell us how infused the nylon and polyester are or what kind of ratios are used, but I can attest that this is a really light puffer. The website also tells us that graphene is thermoregulating and odor resistant. So if you're like a cross-country skier, this might be a pretty good option for you. The jacket has a DWR coating to help keep you dry, and it has a zipper enclosure with snaps. It has elastic cuffs, a draw cord at the back of the hood, and 2 hand pockets. It also has a zippered chest pocket or Napoleon pocket, and it has 2 inside pockets. I'm 5'8", 165 pounds, and I picked up a medium in the color carbon, which makes sense given the graphene. And this carbon is actually kind of a dark navy blue, and the jacket does fit pretty well, although I would have appreciated maybe just a little bit more room for a heavier sweater. The Moonweight puffer sells for $198 and it's made in China. If you want to find out more about this jacket, or maybe you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's get into the good, the bad, and the bottom line. Alright, let's get into the good of the Proof Moonweight hooded puffer. One of the things I really appreciate about it is how light and packable it is. The website does say that it punches above its weight class, meaning that it's just as warm as some jackets that are heavier and bulkier. I would agree with that. This past February, I took a flight to the Caribbean and I had to lug my big winter jacket all around when we landed. And if I would have worn this one, I could have just rolled it up and stuffed it in my carry-on and been on my way. This really could make like a great traveler's friend when flying between climates. I also really like the deep hand warmer pockets on this. And one bonus that's not mentioned on the website is that the hand warmer pockets do have zipper enclosures, and I think that's a great feature, especially again when traveling. This is a warm, attractive jacket for a puffer, that is, and it's super light. And to add to all of that, it can be machine washed and tumble dried, which is such a bonus because if you know me, you know I like easy cleaning. If you like to be able to just like toss your clothes in the washer and dryer, then tap that like button for me so I know I'm not alone. Alright, let's talk about the bad of the Moonweight puffer. Well, so far I really don't have much to complain about. It's a light, warm, packable jacket that's reasonably priced for having such impressive technical properties. However, I would have appreciated an inside pocket that's actually useful. The jacket comes with 2 inside pockets that really aren't very secure, and they have no enclosure. Also, the fit is just a tiny bit on the small side in my opinion. In cold weather, I like to wear sweaters and I like to wear heavier shirts, but it's hard to do that when so many jackets today lean toward a slimmer fit. I suppose that I could always bump up to a large, but that would be admitting that I could stand to lose a few pounds. And it's just easier to blame the clothes. Hey, help me know if it's just me or if jackets really are running slimmer these days. Leave me a comment and let me know what your experience is like. Okay, I'm gonna give you my bottom line opinion, but if you're getting some value out of this today, then I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll catch my upcoming reviews. Okay, the bottom line is that the Proof Moonweight hooded puffer jacket is a great choice for anyone who appreciates a warm, packable jacket that's suitable for just about any outdoor activity when it's cold. You just might consider ordering your normal size and a size up to see which one you like better and send back the one you don't. If you want to see more reviews, then check out this one here. I want to thank Huckberry for providing this jacket for review. My opinions are my own, and I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.